Hello everyone, I am Jimena Jaramillo Dávila. I study System Engineer. I am 38 years old. I live in Sevilla Valle. I work at service desk. Maybe most of would have had changed our daily routine. I have done a lot unusual things during this quarantine, so I want to show you some of them. I have enjoyed to share with my son. During quarantine, I have done work at home. I have shared a lot with my son, and I made chocolate cake for the first time. Always stay up. I ate a lot of food. I want to finish reading a book. I like to play parches. I also like to study. I listen to music every day. I like to sleep late. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks and bye.